This is a dead PSP battery pack from a PSP 3000 model, which has expanded in its enclosure. The enclosure is also cracked due to the bulging of the internal battery pack, so I will add some strength from the inside to prevent further damage to the plastic. I have a new 1100 mAh battery pack that will fit perfectly inside the enclosure. Link to the product will be in the description. The enclosure is easily opened by prying from the battery seam, but be careful not to break the plastic. Also make sure to not use any sharp objects that could puncture the battery on the inside, as those are highly flammable. This is the battery management board that we will move over to the new battery pack. The battery pack is held in place using double-sided tape, so I gently pry it out little by little without applying too much force. I'm marking out the polarity on the battery management board to avoid confusing the positive and negative connections. The sheet plates is not needed, so I will desolder them. The wires are cut short and arranged as well as possible. I use some flux and leaded solder for the best possible solder connection to the board. The battery pack currently has an output of 3.9 volts, so it should be all good. Next up is the cracked plastic. I will try to give it some extra strength. I'm using a couple of tape strips on the front side to prevent the glue from leaking out. Then applying some super glue in the cracked area and cover the glue with tape. The enclosure is glued together with some superglue along the seam and pressing it together. I'm using a couple of vices to put a little pressure on the seams until the superglue has dried. The battery is now inserted into the PSP and I have connected the charger. The battery is now charging as normal. I let the battery charge for an hour and it was fully charged. And we are done. I hope you found this video interesting. Feel free to leave a comment if you have any questions, and please like and subscribe to my channel if you want to see more stuff like this.